Start deliveries of helicopter to India in 2019. The introduction. The Indian military equipment market is undergoing a rapid transformation. To begin with, India's network of foreign partners in this field is widening. Today, almost all the world's leading military producers, with the exception of China, are present in the country. Another trend comes from India's rapid economic growth, which lead to subsequent growth in the country resources potential and an increase in demand for expensive military equipment. Why Russia make collaboration with India? Russia will start initial deliveries of military helicopters to India in 2019, with assembly and manufacturing to follow in Asia's fastest growing economies. India and Russia signed an agreement in October to jointly manufacture 200 of the Ka-226T helicopters for the Indian Armed Force. How the helicopters being delivered? 60 helicopters will be delivered to India, and the remaining 140 will be assembled or manufactured in India. What are the benefits of the issue in economic perspective? Overall sales in 2017 are expected to grow at least 15% as demand for civil helicopters increase. Russia expects to sell 220 helicopters in 2019 compared to 190 sold in 2016. Military account for 2/3 of sales. There is demand for civil helicopters, and Russia plans to increase in volume due to demand from oil and gas sector in Iran. Question number 4. What are other countries that show interest? The other countries that show interest is China, that interested in the production made by the advanced medium multi-role M1 MI-171A2 helicopter. Question number 5. What collaboration are being made by Russia and India? Both countries have agreed to cooperate in energy and defense as India seeks to modernize its armed force and build a nuclear industry, and sanction-hit Russia looks for investment and new market. The joint venture is in process, and the first delivery will start in 2019. After sales service will also be provided in India, said Andrei Boginski, who took over as CEO in January 2017. Question number 6. What is the policy that important in the Indian market trend? The first two trends in Indian market make it difficult for Russia to compete in the Indian market, as product from Russia place a mid-price range level. Therefore, India switched to more expensive product, and this creates obstacle for Russian export to India. On the third trend, there is implementation of Make in India policy, open up new opportunities for Russia companies. Russia is the only country that has huge experience of licensed production of its military equipment in India. In fact, ever since the Soviet Union entered in the Indian market in the 1960s, Moscow worked according to the Make in India principle. What is the short-term prospect of Russia? Notwithstanding growing competition, Russia maintained its position in the Indian market. Russia's annual display export to India remained around 4 billion, accounting for about 28% of total exports. India is the largest importer of Russian military product, and this is not surprising given that India is the second largest global importer of military product after Saudi Arabia, and has every chance to occupy first place in the future.